how to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. So if you want to fix your inverted camera on your Instagram video call, then first you need to open up your settings, or just open up your camera at first and then go with your front camera. Now you can go with the drop down from the top, and here you will have inverted option. You just need simply tap on the inverted, or if you don't find it right here, then you can go back and open up your settings. Under your settings you will have your camera settings, so search for camera, or just scroll down, go with apps and open up your camera application. Once you open up your camera, now here you will have the option of composition, and under that you will have mirror front camera. So if you want to fix your inverted camera, then you just need simply go and turn off the mirror front camera option. And if it works, you can go with the turn on button. But if it doesn't, then you can go and turn it off. So this mirror front camera will help you to fix your inverted camera on Instagram video call. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.